Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Continental Eats, where we'll be exploring the delightful dishes that make up this culinary style. So, let's get started. First up, we have the classic French onion soup. This hearty and flavorful soup is made by caramelizing onions until they're a deep golden brown. Then, we add a rich beef broth, a splash of white wine, and a dash of thyme, topped with a slice of crusty bread and a generous helping of cheese. This soup is the perfect way to warm up on a chilly day. Next, we have the mouth-watering beef bourguignon. This dish is a true French classic, and it's all about slow cooking beef in a rich red wine sauce. The addition of bacon, mushrooms, and onions makes this dish absolutely irresistible. Serve it over a bed of mashed potatoes, and you've got a meal fit for a king. Moving on to Italy, we have the delicious penne alla vodka. This pasta dish is a twist on the classic penne alla carbonara, but instead of using bacon, we use a splash of vodka to add a bit of heat. The addition of cream and tomato sauce makes this dish creamy and rich, and the penne pasta is the perfect vessel to hold all that deliciousness. Now, let's head to Spain for some tapas. We're starting with the classic patatas bravas, which are fried potatoes served with a spicy tomato sauce. Next, we have the pan con tomate, a simple yet delicious dish of bread with tomato and olive oil. And finally, we have the gambas al ajillo, which are shrimp sauteed in garlic and olive oil. These tapas are the perfect way to start a meal, and they're a great way to sample a variety of flavors. Last but not least, we have the decadent chocolate mousse. This dessert is rich, creamy, and absolutely divine. It's the perfect way to end a meal, and it's sure to leave you feeling satisfied and happy. And there you have it, folks. A taste of the Continental Eats menu. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey, and we can't wait to share more delicious dishes with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.